guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean Specialties. So today I'm making one really fun Halloween drink and snack. Halloween is on Saturday, next Saturday. We can't be messing around, we have to get these done. So what the ingredients are for this Monster Punch is Sprite, some green nerds, some eyeballs, a cup, and some straws, and ice cubes. So if you can see my ice cubes, they're just regular ice cubes, but oh my god, there's a spider in it. There's a spider in the cube. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have to pour some nerds. Good. And then put the ice in. Oh, the spider is coming out. And put orange in. Okay, now. Oh, and did you see I got my spooky spider towel? So cool. So then you get, Sprite. And that's good. Then you get an eyeball, and you put 2 eyeballs in. You get a paper straw. These paper straws are very good for the environment. And the longer the nerds in here, the longer the green it comes up into the drink. And let's try. Wow. Everything makes that drink so good. The nerds, the Sprite, and the spider ice cubes are sure very spooky. And the eyeballs. Look at that. So, now that we're done with that drink, we put all this to the side. And we... Oh, and by the way, I froze those in the freezer for 5 hours, so that's good. So the ingredients for this is peanut butter cups and pretzels. So what I did was I took a knife and I like twirled it so it would make like this cylinder shape so the pretzels could fit right in. So let's put this pretzel in. And we got it, and voila! Get another one. Get that one. Voila. We got that one. And let's try it. Got it. Little broom. And the reason you face these down, not up, is because that it looks like a broom. So let's take this. That one. And voila, we're done. And for these guys, for the broom lane. We got these guys in the broom lane. So stay tuned. This is part 1. Part 2 is coming out tomorrow, and stay tuned. Like, subscribe. There's a notification bell down below. Enable all notifications. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.